Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice balls. Start by cooling leftover rice until it is dry and slightly firm, then beat an egg and mix with scallions, soy, and a little starch to bind. Shape into balls, press any fillings inside, and chill them briefly so they hold together. Dredge in flour or breadcrumbs, fry until golden, and drain on a rack to keep them crisp. I like to keep fillings simple and flavorful so they complement the rice without overpowering it. Try small diced shrimp or shredded chicken tossed with soy and sesame oil, or go vegetarian with peas, carrots, and corn for texture and color. For a punch of flavor, add a small cube of melting cheese or a teaspoon of chopped kimchi in the center before shaping to create a delightful gooey or tangy bite. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more cooking guides you enjoy. Quick recommendation. For a fresh ride after grocery runs or market trips, grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great and your drive pleasant while you juggle bags of rice and ingredients. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Temperature and timing make all the difference when frying rice balls, so heat oil steadily to about 350 degrees F and monitor it with a thermometer. Fry in small batches so the oil temperature stays consistent and each ball gets evenly golden. Use a slotted spoon to turn gently and remove to a wire rack over a sheet pan rather than paper towels to maintain crispness. Let cool slightly before serving for safer, better texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.